What if I told you that using a lot of AI tools for your studies is practically guaranteed to tank your grades and GPA? Today, I want to talk about the biggest mistake you might be making when using AI to help you with your studies. So many students are getting overwhelmed trying to incorporate AI tutors, writing assistants, flashcard apps, and more into their learning. It's easy to go overboard downloading every AI tool out there, hoping that it will magically make studying easier. But in reality, using too many AI tools can backfire and make effective studying harder. The key is being selective and strategic with AI integration. Here are 3 tips to use AI the right way. Number 1, focus on identifying your biggest knowledge gaps or problem areas. Do not spam an AI writing assistant on every essay. Use it strategically for improving your essay structure and flow. Target the AI flashcards for memorizing key terms and facts. Don't get overwhelmed with generic content and information overload. Then, be realistic. These AI tools are your sidekicks, not superheroes that are just coming to save the day. I know it's tempting to think that AI tutors and flashcards will magically absorb information for you. But at the end of the day, the majority of learning requires good old-fashioned human effort, reading, practicing problems, staying focused, and yes, hard work. An AI tutor can help you clarify concepts, but cannot lock knowledge into your brain for you. Consider them enhancements to your own learning process and not substitutes. Finally, do not become fully dependent on AI explanations or you will never develop true mastery. It's easy to get hooked on the convenient, personalized explanations from AI, but relying on them as a crutch means that you will struggle to understand and explain key concepts yourself. True mastery requires synthesizing knowledge and making it your own. So, leverage these AI tools for clarification, but do not outsource your learning. Ask the AI tutor thoughtful questions with the right prompts, but also push yourself to solve through problems independently. The biggest mistake is thinking that AI tools can magically make learning easy. So be selective, know the limitations, and do not forget the hard work. With the right balance, AI can take your studies to the next level. Find that sweet spot between AI enhancement and your own mind, and your future self will thank you. If this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming video. Start using AI to develop and increase your potential for learning today, and I will see you in the next one.